Hello, my name is Leo from TL Lab. Welcome to a new episode of Popular Science. In this part we'll speak about physical phenomenon called Jacob's ladder. In this experiment we'll use high voltage. For generating high voltage we'll use high voltage transformer from particle accelerator. Just to note that particle accelerator doesn't have any function in this experiment, only its high voltage transformer. Transformer will be getting high voltage, which will cause the phenomenon called Jacob's ladder. You will see ladder rungs that is actually high voltage spark. How does this phenomenon occur at all? At the wire's bottom, where is the smallest gap between wires, is creating potential difference between positive plus and negative minus pole, that are these two wires. That potential difference causes electrons repulsion. Electrons on one pole, negative, wants to be as far as possible from electrons from the same pole, and they are attracted to the other positive pole. Because of that repulsion, a spark is creating at the wire's bottom. The accompanying phenomenon beside the spark is air heating, because the spark heats air around itself. That hot air arises, simultaneously giving lower resistance of air, and because of that pushing the spark upwards. When that hot air comes to the top of the wires, spark dies. At the same moment, new spark is created again at the wire's bottom. All that happens again and again, and that fascinating high voltage phenomenon we call Jacob's ladder. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.